Deepseek AI, a tool that is creating a lot of buzz in the AI community today. And in this video, we are going to see what exactly does this tool have to offer which makes it special. First, I'll go into my profile and see if there are any customization options. I'll go in settings. You can only select English or Chinese as the language or choose the system language. You can change the theme from light to dark. I'm going with light. In the profile, you can give your phone number, which is optional. You can view the terms of use and the privacy policy. There's also an option to delete your account. So not many things in customization so far. Here is the left panel where you will see your chat history. You can click on the sidebar to hide the side panel. And if you click on it again, it will be shown again. This is the area where you can type in anything. I'll write a prompt here and I'll ask this question to DeepSeek. This is the response that DeepSeek has given, a detailed response of what solar panels are all about. I can copy, regenerate, like or dislike this. If I click on the regenerate, it will create another response based on the same question. And then you can toggle from response number 1 to response number 2. That is how this works. Are the responses any different? Let me see that. More or less similar points. The way they have written it is very different, but that is how you can ask questions to DeepSeek. Now here there's something called as DeepThink R1, which will be used to solve the reasoning problems. And then there is search, which we can use whenever we want to search the web. I will paste another prompt here and I want ChatGPT to search the web. So I'll toggle it on and I'll ask this question. So what it has told is, due to technical issues, the search service is unavailable, and it has given me data which was used to train DeepSeek until October 2023, and based on that, it has written an answer. Let me try it in a new chat again. Even now, it shows that due to technical issues, the search service is temporarily unavailable. So that's something which I came across. DeepSeek, there were two things in the prompt section. The time of generation was a lot more than any other typical AI tool, and it also had these technical issues. You can also use the DeepThink R1 model to solve reasoning problems. So I'll ask DeepSeek a basic reasoning problem, which we all have come across, and I'll switch on the DeepThink R1 model. Now it is thinking, and this process is also taking a while. After about 15 to 20 seconds, it has started to think and it will give you a step-by-step analysis of how it is arriving to an answer. They started to retrace. It didn't figure it out, so it's trying it again. Now it seems to have figured it out. And now, based on all this analysis, you can click here. It thought for 72 seconds to solve this problem. And now if you see, it will give you the steps of how you can solve this. We'll start a new chat, switch off DeepThink. You can also ask questions based on images or documents. I'll upload an image and I will ask DeepSeek to explain this image to me. Extracted all the information and has given us a nice summary of what's there in that image. Can I view that image from here? Yes, I can click here and view that image like this. Can zoom into certain parts if I want, and that's about the image based prompts. You can also upload documents like PDF files and ask DeepSeek questions based on that document. It's taking a while to process this document. So, after waiting for about 2 minutes, it has finally passed this document, it has uploaded it. So, this is something that I've noticed sometimes with DeepSeek, it lags with responding. It has issues with the search option sometimes. Now, it took 2 minutes for it to parse the document. So, after uploading, it took extra time to pass the document, and now I can ask questions based on this. I've asked DeepSeek to summarize this document. Again, the response time is very high that I have seen for even a simple prompt. It will give a detailed analysis and summary of the document. This is the entire response, well orchestrated. It's well divided into multiple bullet points. So, a nice summary of this document. Let's see if DeepSeek is able to generate images for us. Okay, so DeepSeek does not have image generation capabilities, but it is suggesting prompts that can be used for other AI tools to get this image. Is it something got to do with the image of a person? Because I've seen some AI models struggle with images of people. So let me just change it to generate an image on a rainy day. Typically, the response time for DeepSeek is very high. That's something I've observed. So DeepSeek cannot generate images yet. So that's a big con that I would say DeepSeek has currently, and I'm sure they would be working on models that can help them generate images. But so far, as compared to other leading AI tools, DeepSeek lags behind in this aspect of generating images. So to conclude, DeepSeek has made a buzz because it's a tool made with far lesser resources, far lesser cost than any other leading AI tool. But from the consumer perspective, I feel that this tool still has a lot of scope to progress, and I'm sure that these progresses will happen. It's a recently launched tool. I would want to see image generation. I would want to see better response times. I would want to see the search option work every time I want to. I would want to see quicker thinking times, but a good potential, but a long way to go is what I would say.